Hi, and welcome. I'm Steve, and today I'd like to talk about Expireon, our platform for managing legacy data. Historic information your company has accumulated over many years on various systems and platforms, but which is only rarely used or kept for regulatory reasons. In this video, you'll understand that Expireon is very different from the classic approach to archiving and retention. It's modern, open, intelligent, and easy to use, especially in combination with legal tools you might already own. There are 5 pillars that make Expireon stand out from the classic archiving solutions: cloud-native open platform, built-in migration, intelligent retention, right-sized e-discovery, supports legal ecosystem. In this video, we'll cover these 3 topics. These points discuss the technology behind Expireon. If you're not a part of your organization's IT team, feel free to forward this clip to your colleagues. We have another video that covers the topics which relate more to legal and e-discovery teams. You can find that clip easily in the Expireon section of our website. So let's get started. Expireon is built on the REMAD platform, CloudFision's framework for building multi-cloud applications. While its control and management backend runs in CloudFision's cloud environment, customers may use their own cloud for data storage and e-discovery. By using the latest and most prominent open source technologies, Expireon can scale out to cope with the most demanding workloads, petabytes of data and billions of items. One of the biggest problems with other solutions is the use of proprietary APIs and file formats. This often leads to vendor or solution long-term lock-in. Expireon stores its data using the S3 protocol, the industry standard for storing unstructured data, and it does not mess with the data itself, writing the original EML and MSG files instead. A product that's designed to manage historic information needs to be able to onboard information from existing platforms that reach the end of their life cycle. That's why Expireon has migration capabilities built in. In fact, our use of the REMAD platform means that it inherits the same microservices as CloudFision's other migration products. We have designed Expireon to be the ideal target platform performance-wise and with the safety of a full audit trail. This means that you can display the chain of custody for every single onboarded item. And because of the synergies, along with the highest level of automation, the price per terabyte is extremely compelling. The problem with unstructured data is that there's only one way to check the value of the information at hand: by understanding the content. Fortunately, there are now much better ways to use the latest machine learning and AI technologies than just a few years ago, and the capabilities are rapidly evolving. Given that the information is lying around for many years, why not use some of this spare processing power to make smarter decisions about what to keep, how long to retain, and when to expire? It helps with 3 fundamental tasks of retention management. The first thing to understand is whether the onboarded data contains any legal or compliance risk. And unfortunately, that includes data privacy requirements such as outlined in Europe's GDPR or California's CCPA. According to the EU-wide data protection laws, a job application or CV of a candidate that was rejected should not be kept for more than 6 months. Now, how do you find those CVs? That's where Expireon comes into play. It's not only the legal and compliance risk, the least important information also poses a problem for many companies. It is the sheer amount of gray data, newsletters, advertising, and bulletins, both internal and external. That kind of data creates huge issues during e-discovery investigations, especially when the data is reviewed externally at a price per terabyte. Suddenly, that noise becomes an expensive oversight that Expireon is designed to remove long before that. And finally, the historic mountain of information might contain data that's already stored in other systems. Contracts might need to be moved to a contract management system. Mails from the R&D department forwarded to the IP protection team and filed together with the patent application. Our aim is to become better at reinserting critical information into the right workflows. And in many cases, the availability of evidence at the right time can mean millions of dollars in a legal case. That's all for this video. We've talked about these 3 topics. Take a look at the other video to get an overview about the topics relating to legal and e-discovery teams, and to understand how Expireon can drive down your e-discovery costs significantly. By combining next-generation migration technology with a unique, open, and intelligent information governance platform, CloudFision is revolutionizing the way businesses retire legacy systems and transform their organization into the cloud. Our business constantly remains focused on servicing client needs and creating solution offerings that match them. If you would like to learn more about how to bring cloud efficiency to your project, please visit our website, cloudefficient.com.